Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the endpoint detection in the digestion titration. The endpoint in the digestion titration is detected by the following procedures. The excess of nitrous acid is determined by addition of the starch added as an external indicator. After the digestion, one drop of the resulting solution is placed on the starch added paper, which changes into the dark color. Another method for the detection of endpoint is electrochemical method by immersing the platinum electrodes in the resulting solution, and it is also detected by the dead stop endpoint method. 0.5 gram sample plus 10 ml HCl plus 75 ml water. Dead stop endpoint assembling the burette monomer resistance of 1.5 k ohm and current will not flow due to the polarizing substance. Current shall get the polarized only when the electrode get depolarized. The method Next method for detection of the endpoint in the digestion titration is by adding the potassium added to the nitrous acids with excess acid which liberate the iodine. The liberated iodine is back titrated with the sodium thiosulfate using starch as the external indicator. The endpoint is detected by the appearance of the blue color. Preparation and the standardization of the sodium nitrate solutions. Appropriately, the way sodium nitrate is dissolved in the water and made up to the desired volume. Standardizations of the sodium nitrate is carried out by titrating the previously dried sulfonylamides dissolved in the water and hydrochloric acid sodium solutions, which is cooled to the 15 degrees Celsius with the standard solutions of the sodium nitrate. Preparation of the standardized and standardization of the 0.1 sodium nitrate solution. Standardizations sodium nitrate solution preparation dissolves 7.5 gram of the sodium nitrate in 800 ml of the purified water. Make up with the purified water to produce 1000 ml sodium nitrate solution. Standardization dissolved 0.3 gram of sulfanilamide in the 50 ml of 2 molar hydrochloric acids. Add the 3 gram of the potassium added cool in ice. Titrate with the sodium nitrate solution determining the endpoint. Potentiometry 1 ml 0.1 molar the sodium nitrate is equivalent to the 0.01722 gram of the sulfanilamide. Calculate the molarity of the solutions by formula. Sulfanilamide M upon the NaNO2 in ml multiply 17.22. In today's class, I discuss about the endpoint in the diazotisation titration.